Welcome back to Oregon Law Lab.
It's a series where we explore why the workplace is the way it is and where it's going next. I'm Professor Liz Tippett from the University of Oregon Law School.
And I'm Jessica Brown, a 3L here at the University of Oregon School of Law.
Today we're going to be speaking with distinguished historian Juliet Walker from the University of Texas at Austin.
During this interview, she will highlight the ways in which Black business and entrepreneurship have evolved historically.
Hi, Professor Walker. I'm Annie Stuller. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure meeting you.
It's such an honor, Professor Walker. You've studied entrepreneurs throughout history. What does the word entrepreneur mean to you?
An entrepreneur is an individual who makes unusual amounts of money using commonly available influence. That is, whatever is out there is out there. Everyone can do something with the same resources, but how many people do?
One of the things you describe in the book is the continuity of business activity among African Americans going back hundreds of years. And in fact, you trace that back to Africa. Can you tell us more about that?
African societies, especially those on the West Coast, were organized societies in terms of their economic activity, where trade existed on the local level, the regional level, the national level, and the international level. So Africans that were brought to America, they came with a knowledge and history of what it means to work and to achieve something significant as far as one's way of life. And I tried to show that in my book, that the kinds of jobs, occupations, businesses that Africans had parallel those of whites.
I think we want to start by talking about enslaved entrepreneurs. Can you tell us about the sorts of businesses that those persons ran during that time?
I'd like to talk about one, Stephen Smith.
Okay.
Stephen Smith, who was born a slave, and he was in Pennsylvania, and he eventually, became a slave who hired his own time.
Okay, so I'm just going to pause for a second here and explain the term hire your own time, which is a concept that Professor Walker explores at length in her book. Sometimes enslaved people would have arrangements with their slaveholders to pay the slaveholder for being able to work on their own during a period of time. And that was meant to replace the amount of money that the slaveholder would have made from leasing the slave out to another person. If you were successful at hiring your own time, you would get to take home a little bit of extra at the end of the day, which was the amount that you earned above what you paid to the slaveholder. And typically, enslaved people would use that to buy their own freedom or buy the freedom of their family members.
So after he became free, he continued to do that, from on his own initiative.
Okay.
He hired fugitive slaves escaping from the South. Black businesses were included in the credit reports from credit reporting companies. Well, in 1850, the R.G. Dunn credit report described Stephen Smith as, quote, king of the darkness, worth $100,000.
Wow.
Which means what? That people in business, they want to know, can I do business with a particular individual? So when it came to making money, people are willing to at least hide their prejudice and increase of their business profit.
Your book talks a lot about African Americans who were skilled craftsmen and women.
Oh, I was thinking of Abraham Lincoln's wife, Mary, what was her Okay. Mary Talk? Mary Talk?
I don't know her name. I
Mary
don't know.
Talk. She had a dressmaker. Okay.
Okay.
People have referred to her as a dressmaker.
Okay.
But she was a dress designer with her own dress making establishment, for which you employed some 26 seamstresses. Black business receipts amount to less than 1% of total American business receipts, literally the same that existed during the age of today, there are 4 Black CEOs in the Fortune 500. But, after 54, Brown decision, after 64, the Civil Rights Act, that's been over 50 years. Why only 4? Oh, I forgot. There were 6 at one time. When you look at the kinds of things that are happening to Black Americans today, at a hotel, a Black man who was registered, given his credit card, had gotten his room, had his key, and they thought he didn't belong
Right.
to that hotel, so they threw him out.
And that was in Portland. That was here in Oregon. That was in Portland. That was in Portland. Yep. Yep.
That concludes part 1 of our discussion with Professor Walker.
In the next segment, she'll talk about her biography of Free Frank, the first African-American founder of a town. Be sure to subscribe in order to catch the next episode.